If I laugh or if I react, the video ends. Let's go.
Hold on, I'm sorry for the audio, guys. I tried something different and it completely failed. Anyway, enjoy the video.
It's not gonna be easy, is it? Alright, let's go.
What up, y'all? We back again. This is Top Thing. Proof that all babies are babies.
Biar rame kalau malam minum cucu. Ore, ore minum cucu, minum cucu, minum cucu.
I feel like a dead fish when that happens.
I'm okay. I'm fine. Quinchana, Quinchana, ding, 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 ding.
I gotta try harder. Gotta try harder.
The ultimate drama queen of the dog world. A pug who turns a simple nail trimming session into a full-blown theatrical performance.
Okay.
Did you wash your ass today?
Bro, that low-key scared me, bro. Look at this dude's eyes.
We hope she's alright, but it doesn't make the incident unfunny memory to remember.
When you don't know that Lime bikes are electric.
You got it. Oh my gosh, she's gonna die. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, no. Oh no.
Oh shoot, I'm not supposed to be reacting.
Yeah, you freaking moron. Pick a challenge and you do the exact opposite, like the freak.
It's Mama. Oh shit. Mama, you
Thanks to this lady, shrimp-flavored coffee is now a reality.
Tell me why, bro. Look like. Oh shoot. Tell me why he low-key looked like he liked that though.
Face is priceless the entire time.
You're a boat guy.
Jenny ain't getting that text back tonight.